Hello again. Right, this week I'm going to be doing nearly everybody's favourite. What's going on here? Tangled up. That's the top-down shot. Lots of people like their top-down shots. This one isn't going to be very interesting because it's a church and all you're going to see is roof tiles really, but it's a good place to show you or give you some ideas of how to do a top-down shot and how to give it some variations, so you're not just flying over something in a straight line, which everybody does. Just give it a little bit of variation, but will give it some dynamics and hopefully will wow the people who are watching your video. So I'm ready to take off. Lots of satellites, and this is a fairly easy one to set up. Once again, you can do this manually. It might take 2 or 3 shots, but I'm actually going to do this again with waypoints this week. And I'm going to position the drone just at the end of the church. Let's put the gimbal down. Right, so I'm over the top of the church. I'm going to put the gimbal down. I want to frame just at the end of the gable there. And instead of flying just straight over it, I'm going to increase the height a little bit on that. I'll set the first waypoint there. As you see, I'm at a 45-degree angle really. So that's my first waypoint. My second waypoint, I'm going to go over the tower. And set that at a 45-degree angle. Just there, come back a little bit. Set that as my second waypoint. And there's only going to be 2 waypoints in this one. So click on next. We'll keep it at 2.5 meters per second. We'll press go. And as soon as it gets into position, I will press recording. I mean, you can set it to start recording automatically, but if you get into the habit of doing it yourself, then you won't forget, hopefully. It's now setting itself up. And look at that, a top-down shot. With a little bit of dynamics. Lovely, simple as that. Lots and lots of variations. And that's it again for this week. I hope you enjoyed that. It's given you some ideas. Go and have fun, go and play, and I'll see you in the next one.